YouTube. What's up, y'all? It's been a minute. Hey, freight industry has been a little sucky here lately, but we got a good run for today, guys. So I'm picking up a little bit outside of Dallas, and I'm taking it to San Antonio, Texas. It's a pretty good load, and it's paying very well. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and we get ready to take off. Let's get it. Okay, guys, our package is secure and we're ready to hit it. Let's get it. That load off last night, y'all. Hey, but we got it there safe and sound, and we made it back home. Y'all like these videos? Drop a comment down below. Y'all let me know, man. Y'all want to keep seeing me run it up, or y'all ready to get to it? Let me know if y'all ready to get to it. That link down below, Creative Faith Plus. Y'all can email me on there, or if you're interested in getting into this field, check that book out, Buy Back Your Freedom, a cargo van blueprint. Until next time, guys, y'all keep them wheels turning. Peace.